Oh, maybe this side.
Yeah.
It's okay.
First and foremost, introduce yourself to people watching you.
Yo, Ogunreiji, Omozo Okuluga, Western Uganda. Yo.
You're the biggest star in Western Uganda. How big is that to you as a person?
To me, I don't count it to me. I count it for the industry and the music.
Okay.
I cannot be a star to myself.
Okay.
So I don't feel the other name on me.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Reception job nanga or more Western, job nanga or more Central. Zaukana.
Senior, this side, they take a long time to have me perform, like maybe live like today. But the other side, we are with them all the time.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the difference.
Like manage to go single take and don't way okuvemba and nesala okuva paka mu Central Bazano abembe basinga bakuba Central then nebasoka basa.
I think I do quality music. I do my music so that you don't leave it on your playlist. You can play it with whichever music you're selecting. So I think that can let the music go everywhere.
All right.
Yeah.
So today's performance was energetic, was amazing. How do you feel after mashing it up tonight?
I feel fine, but still it would be better than that. So if I be noticing some challenges, so I'll be working on them.
What were
next
the
time
challenges you faced?
The rehearsal was for a short time. The rehearsal just today, but the good thing, the band was mine. The band I came with was mine. That's why we managed to pull up this performance.
Okay. Yes. So, like a newlywed,
my wife understands me.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. My wife understands me. She understands the job I do. That makes it easier for me to be free to work.
Also, like you're very young gentleman. Like take this big step.
I take singing as a career, and it does not interfere my personal life.
Okay.
So I have to marry.
All right.
It's my obligation as a man to marry.
Okay.
The music does not stop anyone to marry. It's their intentions maybe, but not my intention not to marry.
Abakubuka kati nga mukwano gwange Ibrake ayinawo okulinnya ettono oli mufuukira ekisiba bawala bamusungwa okikolo kyo kubanga like it has enjoyed your relationship with your beautiful wife.
Sinzira interest joyina eri abawala gwenga omuntu. If your interest is to use them, they are going to disturb you. But if you approach them as your fans, you are going to enjoy the support.
Yes. Kisinga okulemesa abayimbi abali outside Central Kampala okuba ate buli kyokoze balaba kye batakoze.
It needs time. Kyetaaga obwire kureba the real problem, because I cannot speak for them. But maybe singing, if they are singing the language they don't understand, if they are using studios that are not bringing them good music, maybe that. But it needs thorough check to know what's the real problem.
Like, do you see you doing more collabs with Central-based artists? Because from your success of with Spicy Dan and like, we haven't seen you like do a lot of other projects and other collabs.
I have many collabs with artists, though they are not yet out, but we have them. Another thing, I'm open to do a collab with any artist that sings well.
All right.
Ayimbo bulungi akwesanga wala gente korana.
Yes. Yes. Igwengo mimbi omuntu ani asinga ku inspiring that like music.
People inspire me with different aspects in life. Someone may inspire me the way they work hard, but I don't like their character maybe. Someone will inspire me with their character, then I don't like the way they are lazy on their work. So there are very many.
Celebrities, their fame and doom, it's their doom as well.
It is just what I can tell them. It is not to feel famous like to themselves. They should let the fame go and they live real life. Yes, they don't live the life they can't handle, or to live in expectations, to expect much from the industry, then they be frustrated.
My very last question.
Yes,
your fellow singer and friends, Spicy Dana. I know what I'm kind of going to personally, my Spicy Dana. Get everything I got my mono. Yenny Road, I know Mutimo Miti Vagaliza. Give us a view about it.
So, since I look for the good in them.
Okay.
Maybe that's when they get concerned. But most of the times I go for what I've come to do with you, because it's what it wakola wamu. I cannot expect you to think like me or to act my way. So nkola kiri ekindese ninkuleka kuba sobola mubulirira sobola nebensanga nti mubi ate sijja kukirala seri kwa ine ebirungi nabyo byesitayogedde eri.
Ekyo abayimbi bavayo ne bajajinga manager Roger n'omuyimbi we bw'olaba gwenga Regi kiri fair?
Nga bwe njogedde kisinziira era ku muyimbi naye oli ajajinga character ye, the way they handle problems or the way they handle situations. Nze nganze gundi eri mu kamera the wire. Nze nganze when I approach something like that or when I'm approaching something like that, nja kunoonya ekirungi ekiri mu Roger tukolagane ku ekyo, sijja munoonyako bibi kuba buli muntu alina ekibi n'oyo mwenyini ayogera ku Roger naye asobola okuba alina ekibi kye, so tuconcentrating ku birungi. Maybe ebibi ebyo binaasukka naye ate ekyo tekyetaaga kwogerera, omuntu aba alina ebibi bingi biba birabika nga buli omu abiraba. So let's concentrate on the good things that people can offer.
The last remarks to the people watching you, like any new projects, what should I expect from our Regi now?
Yo, what you should expect is our show. We have a show nga abiri ogw'omunaana this year Mbarara University Inn. Come all.